So good morning. Today we start Claisen rearrangement. And this Claisen rearrangement is a part of sigmatropic rearrangement. Claisen rearrangement is part of sigmatropic rearrangement. And this sigmatropic rearrangement, the part of pericyclic reaction. So pericyclic reaction, the broad part, there are so many reactions covered in this pericyclic reaction, but today we are only focusing on this Claisen rearrangement. Okay, so now our focus is on Claisen rearrangement. So we see what is the starting material in Claisen rearrangement. So in Claisen rearrangement, allyl vinyl ether type starting material. This allyl vinyl ether converted into gamma delta unsaturated carbonyl compound in presence of heat. Okay, so this is the simple reaction, but the important thing is Claisen rearrangement is that we have to given numbering to starting material. Okay, so I tried to give the numbering 1 2 3 1 2 3. If we give numbering to starting material, then the second part is break the bond in starting material. So always break the bond of 1 1. So this 1 1 bond is converted into double bond in between 1 and 2, and this double bond between 2 and 3 is now converted into sigma bond. 2 3 is converted into another double bond. So it will be converted into product. Okay, so two major thing in sigmatropic rearrangement. First we identify two group in starting material. Okay, in starting material, here we write allyl and vinyl. So our first target is identify two group in starting material. After the identification of this group, we are try to give numbering to this group. Okay, after giving the identify the group, we are try to give number to starting material. Okay, so let's start with our first target. So our first target is identify two group. Okay, two group, it means one will be allyl or another will be vinyl. Okay, so we start from basic. So here first compound, okay, CH3 CH2 Cl, and we call this compound common name ethyl chloride. Okay, meanwhile the second molecules exit under this, it will be ethyl alcohol. It means this CH3CH2, we call it ethyl. In similar pattern, if CH2CH group, okay, this double bonded carbon directly attached to any functional group, then this double bond moiety is called vinyl. It's called vinyl. And the functional group is chloride. So it's called vinyl chloride. Similar, here the CH carbon directly to attach to OH. So this is called vinyl, and the OH is called alcohol. Okay. Now move ahead. If any double bond carbon attached to sp3 carbon, so the group of 3 carbon, 2 carbon from double bond and 1 carbon from sp3 carbon, and this sp3 carbon directly attached to any functional group, then the group of these 3 carbon, 2 from double bond and 1 3 sp3 carbon is called is called allyl. It's called allyl. And the functional group is chloride. Okay. So now its name, common name is allyl chloride. In similar fashion, here see 3 carbon group, 1, 2, 3. Out of these 3, 2 from double bond and 1 from sp3 carbon, and this sp3 carbon directly attached to OH group, it means functional group. So the group of these 3 carbon, it's called allyl, and this group OH is called alcohol. So its name is allyl alcohol. Okay. Now this, okay, we see here the one atom is oxygen. Oxygen is attached with methyl and ethyl. Methyl and ethyl. So we call that ethyl methyl ether. Okay. Now we try to give the name to this group, these molecules. Now here oxygen is there and 2 functional group near to that. So oxygen is, it's called ether. Now 2 group is there. One is, see here, 2 carbon, the CH carbon directly attached to any functional group. It means this 2 group means this 2 carbon moiety is called vinyl. Okay. And on another side, there is group of 3 carbon. Out of this 3 carbon, 2 from double bond and 1 from sp3 carbon. And this sp3 carbon directly attached to oxygen. That's why this group is called allyl. Now the name of this molecules is allyl vinyl ether. Okay. So in our Claisen rearrangement, the starting material is this allyl vinyl ether. So our first target to identify this starting material is called allyl vinyl ether. So first our target to focus on oxygen. Okay. Then find out two group. Okay. And give them vinyl or allyl name. Okay. So we practice this numbering. Into these molecules. Okay. So here first molecules. Okay. So first our target is oxygen. So oxygen is called ether. Okay. Ether is there. Okay. Ether attached to CH and CH attached to CS. So this functional group, it's called vinyl. So always in the starting material, oxygen is sandwiched between vinyl and allyl group. Okay. So one is vinyl, so another is always allyl group. Let's check it. So another part is group of 3 carbon. Out of this 3 carbon, 2 from double bond and 1 from sp3, and this sp3 carbon is attached to functional group. So it's called allyl. Okay. So here we are practice to identify vinyl and allyl group. Okay. Now similar, we are try to identify allyl and vinyl moiety in second molecules. Okay. First target is oxygen. Oxygen attached to 2 functional group. Okay. Here one functional group is there and another is here. Okay. 2 functional group. One functional group is bunch of 2 carbon and another functional group is bunch of 3 carbon. And we know very well that 2 carbon is from vinyl and 3 carbon is come from allyl. Okay. We take another exam. example here. Third example. We target oxygen. Okay. Oxygen attached to two functional group. One is here and the second one is here. The one functional group is bunch of 2 carbon and this bunch of 2 carbon is from double bond, and this double bond carbon is attached to functional group. That's why it's called vinyl. Another side, the bunch of 3 carbon and this sp3 carbon is attached to functional group, so it is called allyl. So it is necessary in Claisen rearrangement to first identify vinyl and allyl group. If we are capable to identify this vinyl and allyl group, then we move forward to our second target. What is our second target? Our second target is, first target is identify functional group, that is allyl and vinyl, and the second target is give the numbering to starting material. Now we know that in starting material, our starting material is allyl vinyl ether. So we must to give numbering to this system to convert it into product. So how can we give the numbering? So we know, we take one example here. Okay. This is oxygen attached to vinyl and this is the allyl. Okay. Now how can we give the numbering to this starting material? So always first start from numbering to allyl group. Okay. So we focus on only first allyl group. Okay. Now in allyl group there are 3 carbon. In allyl group there are 3 carbon. So which carbon is first? So therefore the first number given to sp3 carbon, always first number given to sp3 carbon in allyl group, or we can say that the carbon attached to oxygen atom. Let's check it. So this is the allyl group, black bordered, and there are 3 carbon. So always first number give to sp3 carbon. So there are only one sp3 carbon, so we give one number. Okay. Now come to second number. So second number given to double bond carbon. Okay. Here 2 carbon come from double bond. And which carbon gives second number? So the double bond carbon which is attached to number 1. Okay. So first we decide 1. 1 is attached to 2 and then 3. Okay. So always give the numbering in fashion of 1, 2, 3. But we first identify 2 moiety. One allyl and then vinyl. So first we start numbering from allyl group. But allyl has 3 carbon. So always first number give to sp3 carbon, then first attached to second attached to third. After completion of this numbering to allyl group, now our target, so now turn for the O vinyl group. After completion of allyl group, now turn for O vinyl group. It means there are 3 atoms, one oxygen, one CH and CH2. So out of these 3 atoms, which atom give to one number? So always first number give to oxygen. Okay. So here we try to give first number to oxygen. One number to oxygen. 1 is attached with 2 and 2 is attached with 3. So in this fashion, first we complete the numbering to allyl group. Okay. First numbering to complete to allyl group, and then after completion of allyl, we target O vinyl group. Okay. So in Claisen rearrangement, first identify starting material. After identification of starting material, identify the two functional group, that is allyl and vinyl. Okay, then after give the numbering, first number give to always allyl group, in which allyl has 3 carbon. So always first number give to sp3 carbon. Then one number connect to two number and two is two connected to 3. Okay. So in the fashion we completed the numbering to allyl group. Now our second turn is to give the numbering to O vinyl group. And O vinyl group has 3 carbon. So always, 3 carbon, 3 atom. So always first number give to oxygen. Okay, and one is connected to second and second connected to 3. Okay, so in this fashion we complete the numbering to both functional group. Okay, so we practice some structure to give the numbering. Okay, so first we start or identify the functional group. Okay, so here oxygen attached to two functional group, that is 1 and this is the 2. We does not bother about this R functional group. Okay, we only focus on this two functional group. One is vinyl and another is allyl. Okay, now turn to give numbering. So we have two group, one is vinyl and another is allyl. So always start the numbering from allyl group, and allyl has 3 carbon. So always give one number to allyl carbon, allyl sp3 carbon. So 1 is attached to 2 and 2 is attached to 3. Okay, now do not mistake to give third number to this R group, because this R group does not part of this our allyl group. So always give the numbering to our allyl group. Okay, now time to give numbering to this O vinyl group. Okay, so in O vinyl group, so first number is give to oxygen. Now this one is connected to second and second connected to third. Okay, if we are able to give the numbering starting material, then this reaction is very easy. Now we try to numbering to this second molecules. Okay, so here one is vinyl, this is allyl. Always start numbering from this allyl, and allyl, in which allyl sp3 carbon is one number, one is connected to 2, 2 is connected to 3. Okay, now turn to O vinyl group. Always in O vinyl group, first number give to oxygen, one is connected to second and second is connected with to third. So this complete the numbering of the starting material. Now we try to this third molecule. Okay, in third molecules, oxygen is attached to two functional group. One is having 3 carbon and one is having 2 carbon. 2 carbon group is vinyl and 3 carbon group is allyl. Okay, now always numbering start from allyl group. So in allyl group, first numbering always give to sp3 carbon. So this is the 1 carbon, 1 is always attached with 2, 2 is attached with 3. Okay, now turn for O vinyl group. So oxygen is 1, 1 is attached to 2 and 2 is attached with 3. So in this fashion we have completed our two tasks. First task is as identify the functional group, that is allyl and vinyl, and the second task is to give the numbering to this allyl and. Okay, so now after completion of identification of the functional group and numbering to starting material, now we see that how our starting material is allyl, vinyl, ether. How this starting material allyl vinyl ether in presence of heat converted into product. So first we give the numbering. Always numbering first give to allyl group. So oxygen always attached to two function two group. One is allyl and another is vinyl. So always start numbering from allyl. In allyl, first number give to sp3 carbon, 1 connected to 2 and 2 connected with 3. Now turn to numbering for O vinyl group. So first number give to oxygen, 1 is connected to 2, 2 is connected with 2, 3. Now for the reaction or for the formation of product, we have to break the bond in starting material and form some new bond. So during the breaking and forming the double bond or single bond, we have to mind this 3 point. Our first point is in any sigma tropic rearrangement or any 3-3 sigma tropic rearrangement, always in any 3-3 sigma tropic rearrangement, okay? We've previously said that this Claisen rearrangement is part of the sigma tropic rearrangement, okay? So Claisen rearrangement is 3-3 sigma tropic rearrangement. So in any 3-3 sigma tropic rearrangement, always always one bond break. One bond break means the numbering of one atom and on other side, both one bond will be break. After breaking the one bond, 3-3, it means number 3 and 3, there is the formation of new bond and 1-2 double bond. Okay, at this point you can't understand this thing, but when we apply into starting material, you are able to understand this. Now in any Claisen rearrangement, our first target is to what? 1-1 bond breaking. So here the 1 number is on oxygen and on other side 1 number on carbon. So our first target is cleave or break the bond between 1 number. So 1 number bond is here. Now this both electron move toward 1-2. Okay, so 1 bond is break. After this, the double bond between 2 and 3 is shifted between this carbon 3 and another carbon 3. So here generation of new sigma bond. As this new sigma bond generate, the double bond between 2 and 3, it's shifted to 1-2. Okay, so let's try to draw product. So oxygen as such, carbon, okay, and upper side this thing will be same. We give the numbering. This is the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now see starting material. The 1 bond now come and form new double bond between 1 and 2. Okay. So 1 bond will be disappear, or we said that 1 bond is break. As this 1-2 double bond means carbonyl compound form, the double bond between this 2 and 3 shifted between carbon 3, 3. So the new sigma bond formed between 3, 3. Okay. As 3 carbon bond form, the double bond between this 2 and 3 shifted on or shifted between 1 and 2. Okay. So we check whether our product is right or no. So see here 1 break. So here already 1 is break. Okay. New 3 bond form. So here new 3 bond form and 1 double bond. So 1 double bond. So this is the product. Okay. The carbonyl compound attached carbon is alpha, then beta, then gamma, and then delta. So our product is gamma delta unsaturated carbonyl. let's try in another example. Okay. Okay. See this example. Here two moiety, vinyl and allyl. Okay. First number always give to allyl. First give to sp3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This reaction occurs in presence of heat. Now this 1 bond is break and this bond is moved toward between one number and two. Okay. Then this double bond is moved toward or move between this 3 carbon, and this double bond between 2 3 is now converted into double bond 1 2. So our product is just like carbonyl group. Okay, here such like this. Okay, now the numbering we write as such. Okay, now we see whether our product is right or wrong. For that purpose, we compare our answer with this statement. Okay, so see here 1 bond is break. Okay, 1 bond is break. Okay, 3 bond is form. Okay, new 3 bond is form. 1 bond is break. 3 bond form, and new 1 2 double bond form. Okay, so our answer will be correct. Now, why this reaction is called 3 sigmatropic rearrangement? Because the new bond, or we can say that new bond formed between the terminal third number carbon in both sides. That's why it's called 3. If this bond is formed between 1 and 3 number, then it's called 1 3 sigmatropic. So there are so many sigmatropic rearrangement is there. 1 1 3 2 3 3 3 5 5. Okay, but this Claisen rearrangement is 3 type. Okay, now let's try with another example. Okay, now this is the two example, and as we do previously, you can do yourself also. So this is for your homework. Okay, you can do whatever we done previously. Okay, you got product, and if you got product, then compare it with our statement. Our statement is that 1 bond is break, 3 bond form, 1 2 double bond is form. Okay, if you match with this statement, then your product will be correct. Now move toward our next Claisen topic. Okay, now this reaction is called aromatic Claisen rearrangement. Okay, Claisen rearrangement, but aromatic. Okay, now here see in aromatic Claisen rearrangement, the starting material is allyl, phenyl, ether. Okay, the in previously the starting material is allyl, vinyl, ether. Instead of vinyl, here phenyl group is there. But whenever we are targeting to starting material, we always focus only this double bond. Okay, so this if we consider this double bond, then this system is like this. See our previous system. Okay, so now we are identify these two functional group. One is allyl, this is allyl, and this is vinyl type, but this is the part of phenyl ring. Okay, so now our first number is always give to allyl ring or allyl group. In allyl group, first number given to sp3 carbon 1, then 2, and then 3. 1 connected to 1, it means oxygenated. 2 is connected to 1 is connected to 2, and 2 is connected to 3. Okay, now we see how this converted into product. Okay, so our first target is always break 1 bond. So this 1 bond break and converted between converted into double bond between 1 and 2. As the double bond is formed, the double bond between 2 and 3 shifted between terminal carbon 3, 3. As the new sigma bond formed, this 3, 3, the double bond between 2 and 3 now shifted toward between 1 and 2. So our product such like this. Okay. Now we see whether our product is right or not. Then we take numbering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. See, 1, 1 bond is break. Okay, 1, 1 is bond break. Okay, this is done. 3, 3 bond form. Bond form. Okay, 3, 3 bond form. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2 double bond form. Let's check. 1, 2, 1, 2 double bond form. Okay, so our 3, 3, it means Claisen rearrangement is done. This is the Claisen rearrangement product. But there is the one problem. Our starting material is phenyl ring, and phenyl ring is aromatic. But the product of this Claisen rearrangement is now not aromatic. So this ring will try to convert it into aromatic. How it will convert it into aromatic? So see, here one hydrogen. Okay. Now this hydrogen will lose as H plus. So the electron between this third carbon and hydrogen now shifted between 2 and 3. So here formation of double bond. See here, this is the double bond formation. As this double bond form, the ring regain this aromaticity. Okay, and the pi bond between this carbonyl group will now that electron will move on oxygen. So on oxygen there is a negative charge. So this negative charge will capture this H. So this oxygen is converted into OH. Okay. So in aromatic Claisen rearrangement, allyl phenyl ether is converted into ortho allyl phenol. Ortho allyl phenol. Okay. Now we take one more example. Okay. Here also we see that allyl phenyl ether is starting material, but the something will be different. Different is that on the phenyl ring, both ortho hydrogen will be substituted with methyl group. So now first our target is identify the group. So here this allyl means 3 carbon, this 2 carbon is from vinyl, okay, but it's part of the phenyl. So first number always give to 1, 2, 3. Oxygen is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now first step is break the bond between. Okay. I minimize this. Okay. First step is break the bond between 1, 1. So 1, 1 bond is break. Now this 2, 3 is shifted between this 3 and 3. As this sigma 3, 3 sigma bond form, this double bond is moved between 1 and 2. So our product will like such that this 2 double bond as such. Here double bond oxygen, here methyl group. Okay. And here methyl group. Okay. Now we see whether our product is right or not. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So see here 1, 1 bond break. Okay, 1, 1 bond is break. 1, 1, 1 is break. 1 bond is break. New 3 sigma bond is formed, okay, and 1 2 double bond is formed. So our product is right. Okay, now one problem is that our starting material is aromatic, that is phenyl ring, but our product is not aromatic. So molecules will regain their aromaticity. Now we see in previous example that at the third carbon there is the hydrogen. So H will remove by H plus, and the electron between this carbon and hydrogen will shifted in aromatic ring. Okay, so as in this fashion the ring will regain their aromaticity. But in this example here we given methyl group, and the methyl group does not leave easily. Okay, so our product is unstable. Okay, so the product now will become stable by again new Claisen rearrangement, or we say that again 3 sigma tropic rearrangement. Okay, again it undergo 3 sigma tropic rearrangement. Okay, how? Why here ring direct not converted into aromatic? Because here we given methyl group. Okay, so ring now undergo further 3 sigma tropic rearrangement. How? First we write this ring in a such a way that we can draw the sigma tropic rearrangement easily. So first benzene ring, okay, autosave will be there, so the problem arise. Carbonyl, okay, double bond, here methyl group. Okay, now see here 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So two allyl group attach with each other. So here we also give 1 2 3 number in such way that 1 2 3. 1 is connected to 1 2 3. Okay, we know that always 1 1 bond is break. So 1 1 is bond break, convert into double bond. As this double bond is convert, the pi bond between 2 and 3 now shifted between this carbon 3 and this carbon 3. So new sigma bond converted into this 3 3 carbon. As this new sigma bond form in between 3 3 carbon, the double bond between this 2 and 3 now shifted between 1 and 2. So our products like this. CH3, okay, carbonyl is there, okay, double bond is there, methyl, okay, okay. Now we write the numbering system as such. So 1 2 3, 3 2 1. Now see whether our 3 3 sigma tropic rearrangement is right or no. So for that we see whether the bond between 1 1 and 1 is break. So 1 1 bond is break, new 3 3 sigma bond is formed, okay, and new double bond between 1 2 1 2 is formed. So our product is right. But the question is same. Our previous product is not aromatic, and our this after this Claisen rearrangement or 3 3 sigma tropic rearrangement, this product is not aromatic. But now the third carbon has one hydrogen, and this hydrogen will remove in form of H plus. So the electron between this 3 carbon and hydrogen will move or shift between these 2 3, and this 1 2 double bond is shifted and form aromatic ring, and the pi electron between carbon and oxygen now shifted on oxygen. So oxygen has negative charge, and this negative charge now take this hydrogen. So our product is like this: methyl Here OH minor, sorry, OH, phenyl, methyl is as such, and this. Okay, so we call that para allyl phenol. Okay, we here we do not consider this. Okay, for sake of understand, we give them name para allyl phenol. Now the question is that why we do not get the ortho product? Why we do not get ortho allyl product? Because in our starting material at ortho position, here we given two methyl group. So when our starting material converted into product, it means first step, then it will be not aromatic ring. So ring does not convert into further aromatic. Okay, so for this formation of stable ring, it will be undergo further Claisen rearrangement. After the conversion of Claisen product, the third carbon has the hydrogen, and this hydrogen will be removed, and the ring regain the this aromaticity, and we got para allyl phenol.